One misconception people have about data entry work is that they may think it's difficult when it's actually easy work. Follow the link in the description of this video, if you feel you have a good work ethic and want to make money with your cell phone, pad, or tablet. We're only looking for people who are serious about earning a great income from the comfort of home or abroad. Many work-at-home jobs require no prior experience, and some of them offer training, so there's no excuse for not being able to find work. The pay scale is roughly between $25 to $35 per hour, and there are even ways to make much more, depending upon how in-depth you're willing to take things. Just click the link in the description. It will lead you to a form where you can explain your situation so that we can find a position great for you. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or simply looking for a side hustle, data entry jobs offer flexible hours and a convenient way to earn an income from the comfort of your own home. We'll cover topics like the best platforms to find data entry jobs, essential skills for data entry work, tips for creating a standout resume, common pitfalls to avoid when searching for jobs, real-life success stories to inspire you. Don't miss out on the chance to kickstart your online earning journey.